Good evening, everybody. If Columbia's Lamont Doherty Earth Observatory researchers have it right, they say yes, it is going to get worse. More high heat, more humidity, and that will mean more days like this in years to come. So I ask thee, what do you do to keep cool? Do you line it up the pool like these beautiful people here in Astoria? It's packed today, rightfully so, but my goodness, this is not the scene at other spots around New York City today. Take a look. City Park in New Rochelle looks like a ghost town. Typically, these fields would be bustling with boys and girls getting practice in before the start of the fall season. Instead, the only things visible on the turf, the heat rising, morphing the view, and a half-empty water bottle getting boiled by the sun.
It's too hot.
Paul Ellis with Youth Soccer of New Rochelle tells us he called it quits at noon, sent the kiddos home.
This is probably the first time I've had to do this in 10 years.
Tells us the crazy combination of heat, humidity, and turf is a triple threat.
Because the turf field adds maybe 15 to 20 degrees. The three things put together were just not safe.
What is it, like 95 right now? It's too hot.
So far this year, 17 days registered 90 or above, which isn't remarkable. What is? The fact that low temps at night aren't dropping as low as they used to.
That is the signature for a more humid atmosphere.
Not a good thing, says Radley Horton of Columbia's Lamont Doherty Earth Observatory.
As the air and ocean warm, the atmosphere, as it warms up, can hold more moisture. As a result, we see a huge increase in the frequency of these lethal combinations of high temperature and high humidity.
By the numbers, he says in a generation or two,
what you used to experience once per year could happen the equivalent of a month or two per year.
It makes sense that the Earth is trying to regulate itself in this way. So we kind of have to deal with it because we sort of made the mess.
It frightens me that the summer is going to be longer and start earlier, and the temperatures are going to get hotter.
And of course, humidity is expected to climb as well. Now, with the high heat and high humidity, obviously that puts a lot more stress on the human body. So while we are here at the pool, this is how, one of the many ways, you can keep cool as these numbers will stay very high into the evening. Pools today, New York City pools do close at 7 p.m. Not much time left to see some beautiful, happy faces splashing around. We're live with the Mobile Weather Lab in the distance from Astoria, Queens. Vanessa Murdock, CBS 2 News.